Jesse from Tanglewood has a question about a flooded home.
Hey, he's thinking about buying one.
Okay.
Jesse writes, it flooded due to the Corps of Engineers dam release after Harvey. Now, what he said was flooding after Harvey, but anybody who lives on the west side of Houston knows it was the Corps of Engineers. Anyway, what do I need to do, he asks, to treat the slab foundation to pull out moisture before installing the floors?
You can't pull out the moisture. I mean, turn your air conditioner on, you put fans in there, dehumidifiers. You can get a moisture meter. You want around 15% or less in the slab. Slab won't grow mold and stuff, so it's not a big issue. I'm more concerned about it being cleaned. I would clean it with like a Consan product to get all the bacteria out. But I'd step all the way back and tell you, don't buy a house that's flooded. It will flood again, and it's not something you want to put yourself through. Corps of Engineers are going to keep dumping. You know that if it comes again.
On this we disagree, but okay, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Time will tell.
It has 3 times now.
No, not like that one.
No, everyone gets worse. You're right. You're absolutely right.
There. All right, kids.
Keep dreaming. Say your prayers.
Charlie and Tom don't agree on this one.
No, it's okay.
All right. Go ahead and send us your question. See if we agree on your question. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can check out our videos over here. And, of course, you can always subscribe to our channel.